Well, here we have a fantastic new exciting product, and that is the Anker Solix X1 battery. On this house we have fitted it with a 3.68 kilowatt inverter and two 5 kilowatt hour power modules, totaling 10 kilowatt hours of storage. What do we like about it? Well, what is not to like about it? It is, I believe, the only product on the market that isn't a white box going on the south side of your house. It has a fantastic math screen on it that shows you all the generation figures, battery percentages and what your home is currently using. It does actually also have an EPS socket. So in the event of a power cut, we can, although not the entire home, we can keep dedicated circuits on inside the house. Maybe your lights and one of your socket circuits. They can actually go up to a 6 kilowatt power module. There is a 3-phase system coming, so we have actually got some projects on that coming onto our farm project later in the year, and I believe we can go up to 30 kilowatt hours of storage, if not a little bit more. Really big USP of these though is the corrosion factor, so they can go really close to the sea. C5 is the corrosion factor of it, I think, and the slimline profile, so from the wall to the front of the battery is only 150 millimeters, 15 centimeters. So when they are down the side of a property like this one, you can still get your wheelie bin past it. If you like what you see here, then do head down and fill out our contact form in the website. Give us a ring and we would love to take you on that renewables journey, be it an Anker Solix X1, a SIG Energy, a Tesla Powerwall, or any other renewables products, including them heat pumps, car chargers and battery storage.